Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. What if I told you that a simple 1992 UK 1 penny coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II could be worth a fortune? What if the UK Bicentennial coin could make you a millionaire overnight? These are not just everyday coins, they are extraordinary treasures that collectors, investors, and numismatists are searching for. If you own one of these rare coins, never spend it without checking its true value first. You could be holding the key to unimaginable wealth. Let's get started. The 1992 UK 1 penny coin, a rare gem hidden in plain sight. The 1992 UK 1 penny coin, minted by the Royal Mint, might seem like an ordinary coin, but some rare variations have sold for thousands of pounds. Certain minting errors, metal composition changes, and rare proof versions make this penny one of the most valuable modern UK coins in existence. Why the 1992 UK 1 penny coin is worth a fortune. Certain versions of the 1992 1 penny coin are incredibly rare and valuable because of the following reasons. Bronze versus copper-plated steel. The Royal Mint switched from bronze to copper-plated steel in 1992, but a few bronze coins were mistakenly struck, making them extremely rare. Rare proof versions, special proof sets with a shiny, flawless finish were made in very limited numbers, increasing their value significantly. Minting errors, coins with off-center strikes, double die errors, or misprints can fetch thousands at auctions. How to identify a rare 1992 UK 1 penny coin. If you own a 1992 UK 1 penny coin, here's how to check if it's valuable. Check the material. If your 1992 penny is bronze instead of copper-plated steel, you could have a rare collector's item. Look for minting errors, double-struck designs, missing details, or off-center prints can indicate high value. Inspect the edge. Some rare 1992 pennies were struck with misaligned or double-rimmed edges. Weigh your coin. A standard copper-plated steel penny should weigh 2.5 grams, while a rare bronze version weighs 3.56 grams. Get it certified. Have your coin graded by NGC, PCGS, or the Royal Mint for official authentication. The UK Bicentennial coin, a $1 million rarity. The UK Bicentennial coin, though less well known, is another coin that could be worth millions. While the UK has issued various commemorative coins, certain extremely rare versions hold unimaginable wealth for collectors. Why the UK Bicentennial coin is worth millions. Certain features make the UK Bicentennial coin an extraordinary piece of history and value. Gold and silver strikes. A limited number of these coins were struck in pure gold and silver, making them highly valuable. Unique designs. Special designs featuring British history, monarchy, and heritage make these coins a collector's dream. Extremely low mintage. Some bicentennial coins were produced in very limited quantities, meaning only a few lucky people own them today. Record-breaking auction sales. These coins have sold for millions. Over the years, collectors have paid staggering amounts for rare UK coins. A 1992 bronze 1 penny coin was auctioned for over £5,000. A rare proof version of the 1992 penny sold for nearly £10,000. A UK Bicentennial gold-struck coin was privately sold for over £1 million. Where to sell your rare UK coins for maximum profit. If you think you own a valuable 1992 1 penny coin or UK Bicentennial coin, here's where you can sell them for huge returns. London Coin Auctions and Baldwin's of St. James's, high-end coin auction houses with elite buyers. Certified coin dealers, experts who can verify authenticity and connect you with serious collectors. Online marketplaces, websites like eBay, Heritage Auctions, and Collectors Universe can fetch high bids. Private collectors and investors, wealthy collectors are willing to pay top dollar for rare British coins. Shocking truth, your spare change might be a fortune. People spend rare coins worth thousands every day without realizing it. The next time you find a 1992 UK penny, take a closer look. You might be holding a $1 million coin in your hand. Numismatists, investors, and royal history enthusiasts are desperately seeking these rare finds. Don't let yours slip away. Start checking your coins, your fortune could be in your pocket. The world of rare UK coins is full of surprises, and the rewards are beyond imagination. If you have old UK coins, now is the time to inspect them carefully. You could be holding a multi-million-pound treasure without even realizing it. Start checking today, you could be the next big winner in the world of rare coins.